To download Minecraft for free on PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Minecraft for free on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to any of your website or any of your browser and just search in for minecraft.net. Just head over to this particular website over here, which will take you directly to the homepage of the Minecraft website, official website. So now from here, all you have to do is just click on this games button over here, and on the right section, just click on try Minecraft free. So what it does is it basically allows you to play a trial version of this game. So you just have to scroll down until you see the download now button over here. So you'll need an internet connection the first time you launch a game, but after that you can play offline without any issues. So now just click on this download and open the file to run the installer and follow the on-screen instruction and create and explore in the infinite world of Minecraft just like that. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it, so I will not download it once again. You can just open this application and install it to play the Minecraft free trial version over here. So to play the full game, you just have to buy it from over here as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.